If you want to install custom LUTs in DaVinci Resolve 20, this quick guide will show you the exact steps from start to finish. LUTs are a great way to create a specific look, speed up your color workflow, and keep your projects consistent. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the color page. This is where all your color grading tools live, including your LUTs panel. Once you're on the color page, look over to the left side of the interface and open the LUTs panel. If you don't see it right away, make sure the panel is expanded so you can access the LUT browser. Next, in the LUTs panel, click the three-dot menu. This opens up a few additional options for managing your LUT library. From that menu, select Open LUT Folder. DaVinci Resolve will then open the LUT directory on your system, which is the folder location where Resolve reads custom LUTs from. Now this is where you add your own LUT files. Copy your .cube LUT files into that folder. These are the standard LUT files that DaVinci Resolve recognizes. If you want to stay organized, you can also create a new folder inside the LUT directory and place your LUTs there by category, style, or project type. That makes it much easier to find them later when you're working on different edits. Once your LUT files are copied over, go back to DaVinci Resolve. The software won't always detect new LUTs immediately, so you need to refresh the list manually. Click the three-dot menu in the LUTs panel again, and this time select Refresh. After a moment, Resolve will scan the folder and load the new LUTs into the panel. After that, your custom LUTs should now appear in the LUT browser, ready to apply to your clips. You can test them by dragging one onto a clip or using it in your color workflow to preview the look. If everything was done correctly, your new LUTs should be available every time you work in DaVinci Resolve. So that's the full process. Go to the color page, open the LUTs panel, open the LUT folder, copy in your .cube files, and refresh Resolve so it can see them. It's a simple setup, but once you do it, it saves a lot of time in future projects. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That really helps support the content and lets you stay updated with more easy editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.